Happy Halloween, everyone. It is I, the Darker Lord.
And I'm Markov Yuri. Today, we will talk about the pooping and farting sound effect from _headline_point. It's from a video called Play It Trouble tilde. Vertical bracket tilde dash fart vertical bracket part 1 vertical bracket. Please don't watch if you don't like it.
It was uploaded 2 years ago on October 23rd, 2022. The duration of the sound effect from the video is 0:48 to 1:44. The total seconds are 56, which is closer to 1 minute.
The diarrhea sound effect will be removed at the end. This sound is only used when I poop in the toilet.
As you can see, we are going to preview this sound. It sounds like this. See? This is how the pooping and farting sound effect sounds like.
I agree with you, honey.
Are you okay, honey? What's the matter?
I need the bathroom. And I have to test _headline_point farting sound effect.
Okay. Just be back in a moment, okay?
Okay. I need to go number 2. I have to test _headline_point farting sound effect from 0:48 to 1:44. I feel so refreshed. This sound effect is getting closer to 60 seconds long. Remember kids, make sure you use _headline_farting sound effect when you need to poop.